just 2 more reactions left. So we've got our combustion reaction. So combustion reaction, you've hopefully at this point somewhere along your career as a student or career as a scientist, you've heard of combustion before. So combustion is going to be, in this case, is any hydrocarbon. I should have written CXHY because often that number, that variable of X can be 2 different numbers. You can have 2 of the same. It's less common, but know that I could have done an X and a Y or an X and a Z. And then we've got an O2. So combustion, really, best said, is a hydrocarbon. That CH is always going to give us carbon dioxide and water. Sorry about the placement on there. But a description is a hydrocarbon and oxygen make carbon dioxide and water. Unfortunately, because of access to some of the chemicals, I decided to not use a pure hydrocarbon. I decided to use an alcohol, which the alcohol is ethanol in this case, which can also be combusted with oxygen. In this case, I still made carbon dioxide and water. So again, if you could take a couple moments, take 2 observations, write them down from this next little demo.
In this demonstration, I'm going to show you a simple combustion reaction. There are many, many different things that I could take, but I chose to bring some ethanol. Ethanol is not a hydrocarbon, but it is very similar to a hydrocarbon that we see on a regular basis. So the most stable hydrocarbon that I could probably get is a lighter, but I thought it'd be a little bit more exciting to see this combustion reaction. So I'm going to set this up. I'm going to have a little bit of I've got a watch glass right here. I'm going to put a couple drops of our ethanol. And on that ethanol, I'm going to ignite it. So I'm going to have a brief combustion reaction. You can kind of see, very briefly, you can see a little bit of a flame. So here I am having a combustion reaction. I'm producing carbon dioxide and some water. So I'll let that burn off. So there is your combustion reaction. And go ahead and look to the next part of your different types of reactions.